Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn some statistical formulas, which is going to be used in the data analytics field. So here is the data set. You can see that there are some customer data set, and then the sales data set, and then you can see that there are the net sales here, this column, and some profit and loss and something. So from the net sales, these are the formula, but we are generally going to use that. Like percentile, quartile, mean, max, standard deviation, and median. So for the percentile, you can use the formula equal to percentile. There is percentile exe, and then this percentile also here. So just go to pick the percentile, and it is asking you can see the array. So the array will be from here, hold the control and shift button and down arrow to select the complete data, and then next is the asking the percentile, what percentile it is counting from 0 to 1 in between. Like suppose if we are counting 10 percentile, you have to put it 0.1. 25th percentile means that 0.25. so like this. Suppose here I am going to calculate like 25th percentile, so 0.25, and then I close the bracket and enter. So this is the 25th percentile. You can write here 25th percentile. And quartile, which quartile you want to use that. There are 4 quartile in one. Same like you can see that 25% first quartile, 50% second quartile, and 75% is the third quartile. So we can say that 52nd quartile, you can get it like second 50%. So here you can go is equal to, and here also you can, let me just also say Q1, Q2. So Q2 we are going to get that. Either you can go and get Q1 or Q2. In our case Q1, I can say that Q1 to Q4. There are 4 quartile. Okay, but here we are going to get the value will be Q2 or Q3. Okay, you can say that Q3 we are going to calculate. So equal to quartile, just go to right quartile, and then choose again it's asking for the array. Here will be the same array, control shift and then down arrow button to select that one, and then here quartile also you have to choose. You can see that here the message is coming for the quartile 0 minimum value. Okay, first quartile 25th percentile, and then you have to select 1, 2 is the 50 percentile, and then the third quartile is 75%. So we have to get that third quartile, so we have to put that 3 and then close the bracket, and this is the sales, total sales in the third quartile. Then you can get the minimum that you can equal to, you can write the formula mean, and then the same, just go and select the total column, click enter. This time max also you can do the same, that is the maximum of the sale. hit the tab key and then select the column. So here you can see that the minimum sales in the net sales is 1377, that is the minimum, and maximum is 14,985. So like this you can extract the minimum and maximum, and there is the standard deviation also. So for the standard deviation you can use the formula standard deviation STD, then you have to go and choose the net sales and close the bracket. So you can see the standard deviation is 3455. And median, this time median, and median is also going to be, what is the median of these sales, total sales, and then close the bracket, and like this you can get that the median also. So you can see that we extracted all the useful statistical formulas values from the dataset, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.